Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up parental control on POCO X8 Pro. So, go into the settings, then Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control. And right here, scroll down to Parental Control and set up parental control for another child if you already have it. Then here, as you can see, we are redirected to Google Family link and install it. I'll be back with you when it's done installing. Then open it. Here, continue as your mail. You can allow the notifications, and right here you can control your children. Here you can add another child. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.